Hi, I'm David Coleman. I'm a full-time photographer in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I also teach street photography classes. One of the questions I get asked a lot is how to do visual storytelling with your photography. I would like to share with you 3 easy steps on how to do that. And those are the 3 C's: camera, context, and character. So let's take a look at those 3. The first C stands for camera, and more specifically how to set up your camera to be able to capture these visual stories. A system I use is called zone focusing, and the shortcut I use for that is 35-6-11. So I use a 35mm lens, I focus at 6 feet, and I use f11 as my aperture. What that creates is a zone between 4 and 12 feet that everything in it is going to be acceptably sharp. If you want to know more about this technique, check out my other video called Zone Focusing. Now the second C is context, and context gives your viewers a sense of time and place. It's giving them enough information for them to tell where and when your picture was taken. This is the first step in framing your image with a good sense of context. No context is no information at all, and it doesn't tell them where or when the picture was taken. Now there's such a thing as bad context, a tree growing out of somebody's head, or a telephone pole growing out of somebody's shoulder, or even worse, a garbage can right behind somebody. During framing, these are the things we want to avoid in order to tell a stronger visual story. The third C stands for character. Everybody tells a story with their face, visual cues, body language, or their relation to the environment. Everybody's face tells a story regardless of age. An expression, turn of the eyes, the lips, is it a smile, is it a sneer or a grin? In body language, the way one sits, rests, walks, or relates to others with their body language. Visual clues, how they are dressed, what they carry or props, such as tattoos, hats, scarves, they're all props. Or a person in relation to the environment, what surrounds them and how do they relate to those surroundings. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if you're in the San Francisco Bay Area, please come and join me in one of my workshops, or look me up on my website for a complete listing of all my workshops and experiences to Mexico.